have anything to put it on other than a wall. So I thought if we're gonna put it on the wall, we might as well make it cool, right? All right, Civic hood, 1976 Honda. Playing around, throwing some flames on. Transfer tape instead of using actual masking tape is kind of how you want to spray, because if you get it wet and you soak through that ooh, purple, violet. As usual, forgot to hit the record button, and you guys might have missed a step there. And now I've got an orange in here, and I'm just playing, fading orange into the yellow. There. Oh wait, you can't mess up here. It's all the Bob Ross happy accidents. That's all you have here. Like that gun control thing coming back again. Alright, what do you guys think? Leave me a comment, let me know. Alright, let's clean up some of this overspraying here. Let's have similar colors to the first.
Couldn't find 800.
Okay. help you out. So I'm just using I just wanted to show you real quick, like I took and so I said I've got it turned down to a bullet pattern. I don't really want to do that right there. And flip this over. Like right up on top of it, Charlie. But see, it'll give you like a fuzzy kind of a line, not really a crisp line. You have to watch the edges of that file folder. You're spraying over it, you're just going to want to move. So I kind of try to get right directly over the top of it as I'm spraying with it. You know what I mean? The masking paper off. It's like a band-aid, man. I'm tired of jacking with it. Let's just rip it off and see what the scar looks like that we left. I did make these parts a little bit different. Got a little overspray, but this hood already had clear on it, so any overspray that gets on it will come off really nice and easy. Pretty straightforward, simplistic thing. You sit and play with this stuff and play it to death, but you never really know until you take the masking off what you've got. That looks kind of cool. Got some little mist stuff. Is actually that transfer tape is sat on this hood for an entire week, and that's not necessarily what you want to do. You want to try to get that stuff on and off as quick as you can, and it raised up around some of the edges, and I tried to keep it pushed down, but hey, you know, sometimes your best efforts just don't do it. So we'll just come back with a little bit of 1000 grit or maybe a little bit of reducer or something, and we'll clean that excess off of the edges. Since this already has good 2K clear on it, it'll be fine. And I don't know what else we ought to do. I think it's pretty cool for like a mid-70s Honda Civic hood. Yeah, I don't have anything to put it on other than a wall, so I thought if we're going to put it on the wall, we might as well make it cool, right?